From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, Penn State. I'm student meteorologist Jacob Morse here with your Tuesday morning forecast. A nice start to your day with the sunrise coming up over Beaver Stadium. Just some high cirrus clouds out there and a rather warm start to your day. Temperature right now at 50 degrees here in State College, and this warm start will allow temperatures to climb to well above average once again for the day today. Temperatures across central Pennsylvania waking up to 44 degrees in Selinsgrove, 47 up in Williamsport, 50 degrees over in Clearfield on this Tuesday morning. And zooming out to the entirety of the Commonwealth, some southerly flow is allowing for some warmer air to infiltrate in the southern part of the state. 58 degrees this morning in Philadelphia, 57 already this morning in Pittsburgh. If we look at our radar and satellite across Pennsylvania, mostly clear skies out there, dry conditions across the state, just some of those high clouds moving west to east across the central and eastern parts of the state. But if we look to a broader view of the northeastern part of the country, we have two centers of low pressure, one off to our north and one off to our south. As this center of low pressure swings through later today, we could see some showers or thunderstorms associated with it in the afternoon or evening hours. And then out to the west in the Pacific Northwest of the United States, we do have another area of low pressure, and this will develop into a rather potent storm system over the central United States as we head into the middle part of the week. So something to watch, and it will impact us by the time we get to the end of the week. Let's time out your future weather hour by hour here in Pennsylvania. For the day today, staying mostly clear and mostly dry here in Center County. We do have a slight chance of some showers or thunderstorms moving through associated with this cold front in the early afternoon hours. However, I think that those showers and thunderstorms don't develop until the late afternoon or evening hours over eastern Pennsylvania, so we'll be staying mostly dry for the day today here in Center County. In the overnight hours tonight, we do have another slight chance of some showers, but once again staying mostly dry here in Center County. And then behind that cold front, colder air moves in, and we could see some snow showers up towards the Pennsylvania-New York border in the early morning hours tomorrow up towards Bradford, but nonetheless staying mostly dry and mostly clear skies across Pennsylvania once again for your day tomorrow, albeit with some colder air in place. By the time we get to the overnight hours Wednesday and into Thursday, clouds will thicken west to east as we see our next storm system approach from the west. Here's that storm system that I mentioned out in the Pacific Northwest. This will develop into a pretty potent low-pressure system across the Rockies and the Plains as we head into the Wednesday and Thursday time frame, bringing some possible blizzard-like conditions towards the North, South Dakota, Minnesota, and Wisconsin areas. And that's an area of the country that does not need to see these kind of conditions with all the flooding that they've been experiencing along the Mississippi River Valley over the past couple of months. Nonetheless, this system will stall over those areas and develop into a rather potent system with a cold front stretching down towards the Gulf and then a warm front extending out towards the eastern part of the system. It will affect us by the time we get to the day on Friday with some showers in the afternoon hours. And then the system will move off to our east by the time we get to the day on Saturday, leaving mostly dry conditions here in Pennsylvania for the first half of your weekend. Your forecast for the day today here in State College, warming up to a high of 68 degrees, will be mostly sunny for the majority of the day, and then an outside chance of a isolated shower or thunderstorm as that cold front moves through in the early part of your afternoon. For your forecast for the night tonight, dropping down to a low of 40 degrees with mostly clear skies, northwesterly winds coming in at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then tomorrow warming up to a high of only 54 degrees, so slightly below average for this time of year with once again mostly sunny skies. Your 7-day forecast from the Campus Weather Service. Clouds thicken for the day on Thursday ahead of that storm system on Friday that will bring rain in the afternoon hours here in central Pennsylvania. For the day on Saturday, it looks to be the better half of the weekend with a mixture of sun and clouds and a high of 60 degrees. For Sunday, periods of rain will be here in central Pennsylvania with our next storm system affecting us, and those could linger for some showers for the beginning part of next week. For the Campus Weather Service, I'm meteorologist Jacob Morse. Have yourselves a great Tuesday.